Hi guys, welcome back to another favorite segment of mine where I read some of your interesting comments. I guess bege ukuthi abantu batheni after watching episode 24. The first comment is from Usamora Oti. I have never seen him so happy. He reminds me of myself when I got similar news. Umapule uthi it's a relief to see Umselebu laughing for a change. And then Ulizi uti Uma Khumalo shouldn't see this. I feel for her. Audrey uti I foresee trouble. This girl is not a polygamy type. She's that type who wants a man all to herself. She even said, why must we tell Umacele about the pregnancy? Tombeni has bit more than he can chew. In 2 years' time, this castle is gonna crumble. Ulindi uti, all along I was hoping ukuthi lento ka number 5 is just acting. Even after ilobola, I still had hope. Kanti abasemzumbe bathi sekunengane already. Shame, poor Makay. Utube yena uti can't wait for Shivas's diary session about this pregnancy. Yo guys. Usindisiwe yena uti she has secured the bag, and then Uvutshilo uti people at Mzumbe said she has already given birth. Unathi uti uCocomelon catch fast man, no time wasting. Hi guys, phela she's young bakithi uyambona nje uthi nje she is fertile nje umbhekile. And then uRiam Kheti uthi Umakhwela has to be the medicine to Mtombeni's health, because what do you mean every time when they are together ubukeka ewumqemane than when he's with the other wives? Uoratile uthi I feel for Uthobile, shame. Uchipa uti global DNA please assist, this was very fast. And then Unomonde uti the date is awkward to watch, nam angazi ukuthi why. And then Ulizel uti that was the purpose of getting number 5. Yes guys, I agree. The purpose was to get ingane bakithi wabona ukuthi umithi let me just quickly lobola ngimthathe. Which is good guys, like this is what you must expect vele endodeni ukuthi nje yonke into ibe fast umuntu engalokho ebambe yeka ingane izekhule ize ibe ugodo oludala bakithi. Uthemsile yena uthi that's why you were rushing lo mshado babakhe, ubuwazi umonakalo suwenzile. You didn't even mind ivula mlomo ye-16k, sithulile nje siyabuka. Uzandile yena uthi I was judging Usamke at first, but it seems like she really loves Umusa. I'm happy for Umusa, at least he found something that makes him happy. I agree. Umandisa uthi usine lababanye ubazondela ukuthi omunye wabo wamtshela cash. Any other sensible person wayezoyithatha as a lifelong lesson. Ungathandi indoda more than your kids. Laba abanye ke bandla bayiphilela impilo zabo, babhizi abanaso isikhathi sasine. I agree with that as well. Uhazy ke yena uthi uCocomelon is busy making Papa Pig happy. Hayibo guys, umsele kusawo Papa Pig manje. Ufaithina uthi uQueen Elizabeth nesingisi sakhe. Yey wena nana, manje how is your baby going to talk? Cause umseleko uthe ungasikhulumi isingisi, yo lengane ayilaleli ngempela. Naye shuthu baby uzokhuluma isifanakalo cause ubaba ukhuluma isiZulu, ubaba ukhuluma isingisi. Ulumfu uthi hi guys, there is no chemistry between Umseleku no Samke. Not Kabi, uSamke is just fake man. Usharon yena uthi umacele uyamthanda usini, nami ngiyamthandela lokho uthanda ngisho uthando. Uboyikanye uthi he looks so happy after so long. Girl, you did great. And then uphaka uthi wajabulisa okwengane encane Umseleku. And then usiwelile uthi congrats to them, this is so beautiful. Utebogo uti you can tell that they are acting. uCocomelon gave birth already. They are trying to close the embarrassment of being pregnant out of wedlock. Hayibo guys, abantu bayithatha lezi zinto ngempela. Ngicela ukubuza ke labo bebethi i-fake yonke lento le. Namanje basicabanga ukuthi i-fake lento le. Yo guys, mina I cannot nje fathom ukuthi how Umselo busy enjalo enabafazi abangaka. Why would he lie about getting a woman pregnant, about getting married to number 5? I just think nje mina it doesn't make sense ukuthi why he would go through all of this trouble ayibukanise nezwe ngokukhetha ingane encane kanje just for all of this to be fake. Nanokuthi-ke nje guys, bakhona abantu out there who would jump at the opportunity at being a baby mama, not even a wife to Umseleko. Nanokuthi why would he be afraid ukuzala ngaphandle because he already has ingane zangaphandle. And njalo ngihleli ngibona ama-comments abantu belokhu bethi yes unumber 5 usezele nanana. Okay, it's fine sezivile phela usezele, but let us watch the show as abantu abangazi. Phela thina asihlali emzumbe asazi kwenzakalani. Nangomunye futhi usilindele othi he's not too excited, shame he's just pretending. And then uNontuthuzelo uthi but why hlezi esho ukuthi ufuna ingane eziningi, hence wathatha unumber 5. Why uthi he's pretending mase eyithola ezinye ingane, which I agree with. Angazi guys ukuthi abantu bayithatha leyo nto. You can clearly see ukuthi uyijabulele bakithi Umseleko. Hayibo guys, mina ngazi no mhlawumbe nje it's just so weird ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi nje lento le cannot be real, whereas iyenzeka everyday lento le. No, you find an older man ethana ingane encane ukuthi phela we don't see it on our TV screens, but it happens guys. Usandra uthi uyamithisa ubaba Umseleko. Shame, how long have they been together? Usosh yena uthi one thing about Umseleko, he always looks happy when the woman is new. This happiness will be short and he'll marry the 6th one. Yo sana, I'm glad I'm not the only one ebona leyo nto, because the way uSamke are happy ngakhona right now. Ulama Gagula uthi my selfish good heart, why am I happy to see this guy happy mara? And then uNqobile uthi he looks happy, shame. And then uNtombi uthi umayeni akazihlalelo shabeni ngempela. Yo ngempela vele funa bekade wahamba, sazi ngoba esahleni namanje lokho ehambe ebuye ngoba akazazi ufunani. So hey Nkosi yami, it's gonna be hurtful ngempela to realize ukuthi yane ungenile. Uzama uthi usazofa indlala. Hey guys, yey ngoba nje amadoda. Hey Nkosi yami, I hope she's prepared uSamke. Priska uthi but how can you marry him without knowing how many kids he has? Those kids are your kids too. Ayibo uSamke akazili ukuzoba u-stepmother guys, uzoba kumndeni wakhe phelele lapho. And then uNokzola uthi all along hayi guys ngeke alikho right nina. UNtswake uthi my fear is that he was not using a condom with a girlfriend and putting 4 people at risk. Ankeri, she was lobolad recently. You see, it does not matter the number of wives you have, you'll still go out and risk with the lives of the ones at home. Unkai uti wow, I'm loving it Batong. It's been long since he smiled like that. He's so happy lately. It's been tears after tears. Siyabonga uMakhwela ukwenzile umfana. Ungenile unumber 5, ngiyamthanda mina. Umpumi uthi-ke, so this little baby has been having clof with this old man. Yo guys, it happens. And-ke wayisholo yena-ke uMacele wathi-ke, I do not need to know how old she is because she is old enough to sleep with a married man. So ke sana she's old enough to have sex. So nathi-ke sizoyishiya lapho. And lastly, Elko uthi Uma Khumalo is a strong woman. She is going to survive. Surely she's very much aware that she can't bear children and is emotionally stable. I trust her, mna, she will survive. That woman is strong. Yo guys, I agree so much with the last comment. And Kemina, I think ithemba nje singalilahli, because uNkulunkulu esimkhonzayo uzoyibonakalisa through Umseleko, kube uyena oshoyo ukuthi mama sambe so yenza lento ye-IVF sizame, because you have supported me in my dreams of fulfilling lesi sithembu. Mina nje ngithi nje ahlale ethembeni guys, anything can happen. But Kesana, I would like to hear your thoughts on this. Please make sure to comment down below and don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe so that our community can grow. I get ngizonibona kule elandelayo. Bye guys.